Hello guys, today we are going to see full review of Redmi Note 10. Note 10 is released on March 24, 2021. Colors available shadow black, froze white and aqua green. Quad camera having 48 megapixel and along with that 8MP camera is also been given in this Redmi Note 10 and selfie camera with 30MP. Redmi Note 10 it's been a so awesome phone which is been so featured and with Gorilla Glass and which is having a fast charging adapter. It has been a video recording of 4K plus 30 frame per seconds and HD quality videos also can be recorded in this Redmi Note 10 and it is OS Android 11 plus MIUI 12 which is been featuring in this Redmi Note 10. It is having a battery of 5000 mAh with 32-watt charging ability. In this phone, has been proved that 100% charge in 74 minutes and its CPU is quad-cam Snapdragon. And in this Redmi Note 10, there have been two variants which is of 4GB plus 64GB and 6GB RAM plus storage of 128GB also available and it is so suitable for gaming and watching movies and its display size is been 6.43 inches. And this is the end of this video. To buy this product, the link is given in description.